Big news for Microsoft 365 admins. Microsoft's official Slack to Teams migration tool is now rolling out worldwide. This free, built-in tool in the Microsoft 365 Admin Center lets you easily migrate Slack public and private channels, including messages, threads, files, attachments, and memberships, directly into Teams channels. Export your Slack data, upload to your Azure storage, map users and channels, and migrate with a guided guide. No third-party tools needed for channels. Benefits include seamless conversation continuity, preserved history for better user adoption, time and cost savings, and secure data handling. Limitations. Currently, channels only. No DMs, apps, or Slack Connect yet. More features coming soon. As of January 2026, it's in general availability through early March. Check your admin center today. For the full guide and latest cloud updates, visit mwpro.co.uk. If you found this helpful, hit that subscribe button, like, comment below with your migration questions, and head over to mwpro.co.uk for more expert insights on Microsoft 365, Copilot, Azure, and modern workspace tips. Thanks for watching. See you next time.